This is Anil with a video tutorial for the Learning Lab on C programming. In this video tutorial, we're gonna see the printf function in detail. So, a printf function in C is used to print something to the screen in some formatted way. So, let's begin with the syntax of this printf function. First, we have to write the function name, that's a printf. Then we have to pass the format string. Then the list of variables that are referenced in this format string. So let's begin with the printf function. First we want to print something to the screen, and we don't want that string to be formatted. So here this format string can be a string which we don't want to be formatted. So I'm gonna write Anil Shetty. So I don't want it to be formatted, I want to be printed as it is. So save it, compile and run it. So as you can see here, Anil Shetty is printed as it is. So we haven't used any format specifier. Okay, the next thing is we can use some format specifiers here, to format the string or strings, characters, or the integer values or the floating point numbers. So in this example we're gonna use an integer value. It's gonna be called age, and we're gonna assign it with a value gonna be 23. And here for the integer constants we have to use the format specifier %d. Then we have to refer this age variable here. That's gonna be the value of this age variable will be added here in place of this %d. So I want it to print my age is %d. Here we have to refer this age variable. It's gonna be age. Save it, compile it and run it. So as you can see here, my age is 23. Similarly, if you are using a float variable here, then you have to specify the format specifier as %f, and if you are using a character variable here, then you have to use the format specifier as %c. The next thing is this format string can contain some escape sequences also. So an escape sequence is used to escape the meaning of some characters. So in C, escape sequence starts with this backslash. Then in this example we are using this \n. Then there are \t for a tab, and many are there. So here in this example we want to print hi, this is Anil in one line. Then we want to add a new line. Then we want to print my age is 23. So here we're gonna add hi, this is Anil. Then we need to add a new line here. That's why we are adding an escape sequence, that's /n, and then we are writing my age is 23. Save it, compile it and run it. So as you can see here, hi, this is Anil, which is printed in one line. Then because of this /n escape sequence, my age is 23 is printed in the next line. Similarly, you can use \t for a tab. Save it, compile it and run it. So as you can see here, hi, this is Anil, then a tab is inserted because of this /t. Then my age is 23 is printed. Then we can use this escape sequence to okay, let me explain first. Suppose we want to print hi, this is Anil, and we want this Anil to be in the double quotes. So when we can write double quotes like this. So when we do that, as you can see, the color has changed here, and when I save and compile this, it's gonna give some error like syntax error before Anil. That's because the printf function, when it encounters this double quote at the second time, it thinks that okay, this is the end of this format string. Then but that's not the case here, and so that's why it's giving some errors. So that what we want to do here is we want to escape the meaning of this double quote here, so that our computer or this printf function can continue to print whatever we write here until it encounters this. So for that purpose we can add a / here. As you can see here, now this color has changed and we need to add another / here also. So then save it, compile and run it. So as you can see here, hi, this is Anil. Anil is in double quotes, then my age is 23. So this is it guys, this is about the printf function in C. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. I see you in the next tutorial.